Recall that Webb went into space in December 2021. It is expected to make breakthroughs in various areas of the study of the universe. It is no coincidence that experts say that the Hubble telescope, which for 30 years of work has revolutionized the ideas about the universe, next to Webb is at best Jiguli compared to Mercedes. And, judging by the latest reports, the newcomer really lives up to the loudest expectations. Almost every week, Webb reports a high-profile opening. Here are just a few examples. The most distant black hole and the most distant star in the universe have been discovered. Death and birth in a distant galaxy have been captured, etc. One of Webb's main objectives is to search for life in the universe. And just now, it has given away two sensations at once. The first is related to the exoplanet K2-18b, which astronomers for several years have considered almost the most promising for the search for life. It revolves around the cold dwarf K2-18 in the habitable zone and is located at a distance of 120 light-years from Earth in the constellation of Leo. The exoplanet was found to be about 2.4 times larger than Earth and almost 8 times heavier. The most interesting thing, the data showed that almost half of the planet's mass is water. This can be only in one case, if K2-18b is completely covered with a layer of water tens of kilometers thick. By comparison, the proportion of Earth's water, while seemingly enormous, is negligible. It is only 0.02% of the mass of our planet. The exact composition of the atmosphere has not yet been determined, but it is known to contain the hydrogen, helium, carbon dioxide, and methane necessary for life, almost like the young Earth. And now Webb has added an essential substance to that list. Astronomers say it's highly likely that the exoplanet has molecules of dimethyl sulfide. If so, the question of whether there is life in the universe other than Earth may move from the realm of hypotheses to a more realistic plane. After all, dimethyl sulfide is not just organic, but a biological compound that is formed during the vital activity of phytoplankton. If the discovery is confirmed, there is life in the universe, at least in the form of algae. The astronomers themselves are cautious in their assessments. They believe that such a fundamental for the search for life finding should be repeatedly tested. She, as K2-18b, has long been in the center of attention of scientists. Previously, signs were found that indicate that on the satellite there are conditions for the existence or emergence in the future of life. Say, it is known that under the icy crust of Europa hides a salty ocean of liquid water with a rocky bottom. However, until now, there has been no evidence that this ocean contains the necessary chemicals for life, in particular carbon. And now the Webb telescope has detected carbon dioxide there for the first time. Analysis shows that the carbon it contains was probably not brought in by meteorites or other external sources, but formed in the subsurface ocean. Moreover, its deposition to the surface occurred recently. Our life is based on carbon, says NASA specialist Geronimo Villanueva. Knowing the composition of Europa's ocean will help determine whether it is hostile to life as we know it or whether it is possible there. Scientists warn that the satellite has extreme conditions, so even if life is detected, it will be primitive microbes. Not everyone agrees with this statement, though. According to some experts, in the ocean of Europa may live creatures resembling octopuses. But this assumption rather belongs to science fiction than science. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to learn more about space.